60.
These radio-controlled model yachts are being sailed by a group of enthusiasts who are members of the Emsworth Slipper Sailing Club, situated at the bottom of South Street, Emsworth. The International 1 metre class is the most popular radio-controlled racing yacht throughout Europe, and indeed the world. Each hull is 1 metre long, and the keel length and total weight are strictly controlled and measured. Each boat is allowed to have 3 sail rigs, small, medium and large, and the skipper will make his choice according to the strength of the wind. Inside the hull is a servo which drives the rudder, and a winch which controls the lines that pull the sails in and out. Inside the watertight pot on the left is the battery and radio receiver. A radio transmitter has 2 main controls. If you want to steer to the right, then you move the tiller stick to the right. And if you want to steer to the left, then you move the tiller to the left. That's all very well when the boat is going away from you, because you can see exactly where left and right are. But when the boat is coming towards you, it reverses the situation, and your brain has to get used to the idea that it's all a bit different. This lever here pulls the sails in or out. We use a pre-recorded countdown device for the final minute up to the start. This clip shows the start line between the far blue buoy and the near red buoy. Any boat that is over the line at the starting hooter has to go back and start again without interfering with the other boats. This clip shows a start in a reasonable wind.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Clear.
It takes intense concentration to control your boat. The racing is controlled by the International Yacht Racing rules, as used by proper full-sized yachts, and can get very competitive. It takes a lot of practice to get the coordination between eye, brain and fingers to have absolute control. Sometimes we get it wrong, badly wrong. Throughout the winter we meet on Thursday and Sunday mornings, and during the summer sailing season we meet on Thursday mornings and Tuesday evenings. After a couple of rounds of the set course, the boats make for the finishing line, again between the blue and red buoys. And as they cross the line, the skippers call their numbers out for the recorder.
18. 18. $25.
On a good day, we will complete 10 races in 2.5 hours, and the results are collated to a set formula to give an overall winner on the day. What a very pleasant way to spend a morning.